Hi dear children, today's topic phonic sound. What is this letter? E. What make a sound E? A. What make a sound E? A. Okay dear children, now let us say the words aloud. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Bell. What is this? Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Bell. What make a sound E? A. Bell. Okay, next one. What is this? Den. What is this? Den. D-E-N. Den. Next one. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. What make a sound E? A. Pen. Pen. Okay, next one. T-E-N. Ten. H-E-N. Hen. B-E-N. Ben. F-E-N. Fen. G-E-N. Gen. D-E-N. Den. Next one. What is this? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Next one. What is this? Net. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. Okay, next one. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Okay, dear children, like this, you will read these words again and again. Okay, thank you.